Right, I hope everyone's doing okay. Just been trying to think of a really simple kind of trap trigger, what probably anyone could do, minimal tools. So I thought of something, and what you need is 3 sticks. So it can be any size really, but it depends on what size trap you're doing. But 2 are about the same size and 1 slightly longer, and these are probably about, I don't know, 2 of my hand's width, I suppose. And a key ring. So 3 sticks and a key ring, and all you do is, one of them you might just need to shave one end just a little bit thin. One of them, do a notch like that, and the other one just slightly flatten it off like that. And it kind of makes a figure 4 type trigger, but with a key ring, so you don't have to do a lot of carving. You could probably just do that with, you know, anything, piece of glass, piece of flint. 2 little notches, and well, to be honest, you might be able to get away with just 1 notch. This isn't actually that important, but it does make them sit together like that better, if that makes sense. Right, so you can actually set this trap up whatever way you want. I'll explain it in a second. So you've got, this one is the upright, and this one is your one like that, if that makes sense. So get the key ring on in the first place. Arms always in the way. Right, so like a figure 4, you've got this one, there's your notch there, comes down, you've got this key ring. Now what I mean by you can put it anyway, you could put this sideways so that when it goes off, the pieces flip out each side, but you can still have a stick facing this way. Does that make sense? I'll do it in a minute. So then, what you've done, once you put that in there, you get another stick, and you've got to be careful doing this. It might be better if you pull it up first. Stick your stick from underneath, and then up and over, if that makes sense. See it? So you could tie a bait on here, but you're going to need the animal to stand on it. Let's try to find something to set it off with. So you could tie bait on, or just have it as one where when the animal passes over it stands on it. Now that's up quite high, it could be do with coming down a little bit more, but once this is stood on, see, it releases it, and it comes down. Right, and this is what I mean by you can turn this trap around or have it any way. I've now got it twisted around, so when this one goes off, it's going to flip towards us rather than flip backwards. That's the good thing about having the key ring. You can basically do it any way you like. So I hope that makes sense. So the key ring is just stopping this top one flipping. The stick goes through, You could do a double-ended one that goes all the way through, bait on each end. As long as the deadfall would catch it, and then no matter what side was touched, it would go off, if that makes sense. But this, like I said, it needs to be down a little bit more. The lower it is, the more sensitive it will be. But pretty simple trap, pretty simple to make. 3 sticks, a couple of notches, and a key ring, which I would have thought most people would have. Alright, cheers for watching, I'll see you later.